These are AI UGC ads I made myself using HeyGen and Claude in under 10 minutes, without hiring real creators or spending thousands of dollars on filming equipment. Then I hired a Fiverr specialist to build the exact same ad with the exact same goal. By the end of this video you will know exactly which workflow to use and which one is quietly wasting your budget before you've spent $1 on ads testing it. The problem with UGC is that it's broken for most businesses. Real creators charge up to $500 per video, and you need 10 to 20 variations to properly test a hook. And that's up to $10,000 before you know what works and what doesn't. And on top of that, you wait 5 to 7 days per batch. By the time your ads are ready, an angle, the trend, format, or anything related to be expired is already dead. Most business owners are either overpaying for UGC can't iterate fast enough or skipping it entirely because the math doesn't work. So I ran an experiment. I built one version myself. I hired a Fiverr specialist to build the other. First, we need to create 3 different hooks with Claude. In our case, we're going to sell this teeth whitening tool, so I'm going to use this exact prompt. Act as an expert hook writer for meta ads. Analyze my target audience, which is women and men over 21 years old who are struggling with poor quality teeth and yellowing. Study their fears, struggles, misconceptions, and desires. And by using human psychology and the best marketing strategy, create the top 3 hooks to grab my ICP attention within 3 seconds. Also, those should be 3 different angles, 3 different formats, and 3 different paints. From these 9 hooks, just choose one each, and it should be just 3 hooks in sum. Now write the fully optimized script to sell the product via ads. As a CTA, use the Order Now button. I need you to give me 3 scripts with 3 different hooks that we've created earlier. Now go to HeyGen, go to Avatar, click New Avatar, and go to Create a virtual character and choose Design with AI. In our particular case, it's going to be a girl, early middle age, black. And write this. Create an ultra-realistic black woman aged 40 to 50 with radiant dark brown skin, natural shoulder-length black curls, expressive brown eyes, and a warm, confident smile. She has perfectly straight, naturally bright white teeth that look professionally whitened, not artificial. Simple white blues with minimal natural makeup and no jewelry. She faces the camera directly with a relaxed posture, maintaining natural eye contact as if speaking to the viewer. Medium close up, waist up, authentic UGC style, luxury bathroom background, bright natural beauty light, 8K photorealism, realistic skin texture, premium commercial quality, clean composition, friendly, trustworthy, approachable. Then we need to put our product in her hand. Just go to avatars, pick your avatar and choose design with AI. Then upload your picture as a reference. And I'm going to use this exact prompt. Hold the uploaded teeth whitening device naturally in your right hand at chest level and let's slide it toward the camera so the product remains clearly visible throughout the video. Speak directly to the viewer with a warm, friendly and confident tone, smiling naturally and showing your bright white teeth. Occasionally glance briefly at the product before looking back into the camera. Make small realistic hand gestures with your free hand while explaining the benefits. At key moments, gently raise the device closer to your smile, subtly point it to your teeth and demonstrate its purpose. Your movements should be slow, smooth and human-like, without exaggerated gestures. Maintain eye contact for the most of the video with authentic facial expressions that convey trust, satisfaction and excitement. The overall feel should be a genuine customer recommendation rather than a polished commercial, creating the impression that you personally use and recommend this teeth whitening device. Now we have an avatar. We need to create a fully optimized video where she speaks about the product. Choose the best avatar picture and go to Quick Create. Now just paste here your prompt that we generated with Claude. Here, choose the voice here in the library or you can transfer it from 11 Labs. Choose portrait and design quality and hit generate. Now when it's generated, all you have to do is download and edit it to make it more polished or just keep it as real and natural as a UGC TikTok style. So that's the final version, less than 20 minutes.
Instead of just polishing enamel. I use it once a week, it takes 4, and it fits right before I leave for a date or dinner.
Now let me show you what happened when I handed the exact same brief to a Fiverr specialist. I went to Fiverr Pro, filtered by top rated sellers. AI video specialists, portfolios showing the real brand work, not demo reels, actual ads that ran for actual businesses. And here's who I found and exactly why I picked them. I sent them the exact brief I used to build my version myself. The product, the target customer, the hook angles I want to test. And 48 hours later, and here's what came back.
Okay, can we talk about this for a second? Look at my teeth. I am so happy with how they look. I've always wanted my smile to look brighter, but I didn't want expensive treatments or anything complicated. This was honestly so easy to add to my routine, and I love how much more confident I feel when I smile. Now I actually catch myself smiling in photos instead of trying to hide my teeth. If you've been thinking about trying a teeth whitening device, this is definitely one I'd recommend checking out. Tap below to learn more. I think you'll be surprised by the difference it can make for your smile.
Same brief, two completely different results. And here's the honest reason why. It's not the tools. HeyGen and Claude are the same tools I use. It's more about the judgment. They know what hook stops a scroll, which avatar matches the actual buyer, how to pace the series so it lands without feeling forced. And that's not something you learn from a tutorial. That's most likely reps. And here's what that means for your business. If you want to move fast, split test tons of hooks and learn the workflow. Build it yourself. HeyGen and Claude get you there in 20 minutes, and the cost is almost nothing. But if you want the version to scale a winner of yours, hire someone who already has the reps. And that's the real answer for most business owners. Everything I used in this video is in the description. For Fiverr, click the first link. HeyGen also link down below. Click the second link in the description. And see you on the next one.